is the final question. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative? I'll repeat that. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative?
Ladies and gentlemen, I've been in the pageant industry since I was 14 years old. I have witnessed how we redefined our terms and how we change into the betterment of our community and our nation. You see, I can say that beauty pageants will be and will forever be relevant now that we are talking inclusivity, because it is one of the things that we are fighting for as beauty queens, as pageant enthusiasts. It is one of our advocacies to make sure that we lobby everyone, no matter who you are, what gender you are in, old or young, we will fight and we will be with you until the end. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our
Thank you
first
so much, candidate number 16. Grabe yung hiyawan dito sa side na to, ha?
Pero talagang tindig balahibo levels din naman yung sagot niya, di ba?
Very well said. Actually, kahit ako, ang hirap ng tanong na yun, ha? So
Yes.
good luck to all the other ladies.
And I believe our
Okay, here we
second
go.
candidate for this round is ready. Let's all welcome back candidate number 8. Kaya nga Marco, di ba, yung round kanina bugbugan sa Q&A. Kaya mas na-excite pa ako lalo sa round na to.
Pahirapan kung pahirapan, Nicole.
True. Okay, candidate number 8. Here is the final question. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative? I'll repeat that. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative?
It is to promote our advocacy. Our advocacy, which is not pinpoint only one gender, but in the general. My advocacy is mental health advocacy. It is for everyone. Because pageantry is open for inclusivity, actually. We are promoting inclusivity here. And everyone, I want you to know that my advocacy, if you need me, I am open. And this is not only for women. This is for everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8.
Okay, 2 down, 3 to go.
All right, ito na.
Pero you know what? The question is really beautiful as well, Marco. Kasi nako-question to every year. That's why in the landscape of pageantry, kailangan na level up din talaga yung mga pinaglalaban ng pageant organizations.
Yes, I agree. Okay, is our next candidate ready?
I believe she is. Candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9.
Her gown reminds me of, I think, Zuleika Rivera. Miss Universe 2000-something. Dominican Republic ata yun. Sana may tama akong nasabi doon. Hello! Tama, di ba?
Miss Universe 2006, Puerto Rico, Zuleika
Puerto
Rivera.
Rico, there. May isa ako na tama, Zuleika Rivera. There. Okay, so here is the final question. Are you ready? How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative? I repeat that. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative?
Pageants are always still relevant and will always be relevant because us candidates, we have our different causes and advocacies that we are fighting for. In my municipality, I partnered with the Misibis Women Livelihood Organization where we teach younger generation to make commercial products out of karagumoy. And with these simple things, us beauty queens doing these simple things to make a progressive world, pageant will always be relevant to our society. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 9.
Thank you, candidate number 9. Okay, 3 down and 2 left. Can we please call on the next candidate?
Yeah, and the 3 finalists can finally breathe easy.
Yes.
Nagawa na nila lahat ng
I wonder
rounds.
what's happening sa isolation room. Like, for sure, grabe yung kaba na nararamdaman ng mga queens natin sa isolation room.
Yeah, and here is our next candidate right now, candidate number 2.
Hello, candidate number 2. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really, really blessed to be here. To be included in the top 5 is already a really huge blessing.
Thank
All
you.
right.
All right. So here is your final question. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative? I'll repeat that. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative?
I think beauty pageants isn't just a celebration of beauty and intelligence, but it is a celebration of a woman's purpose. Because that is the very essence of the beauty queen. She is able to do something to be of use to her community or her country. That is a queen. She is able to turn whatever visions she has into actions. With that, she is able to create a wave of positive change in the world. That will be all. Thank you. Diyos mabalos albay.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
Nararamdaman ko na rin yung kaba sa audience. Grabe yung silence.
Lahat sila, magaganda lahat ng mga sagot nila. So this is gonna be a hard decision to make, judges.
And I think we are down to our last candidate.
Yes.
Is that correct?
So can we please call on candidate number 20?
Good evening, candidate number 20.
All right.
Okay, are you ready for the final question? Yes. The last leg of your pageant journey. And it goes, how can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative? I'll repeat that. How can beauty pageants stay relevant in a world where inclusivity is imperative?
I believe that's why we have advocacies. We experience different things every day in life. And I think that we should take that as a learning to impart that to other people, to take that learning for other people to learn, not us to experience. And I think that beauty queens are not just for glamorous, for being physically fit. It's more than that. It's always including inclusivity, and I think that I have been doing that since the first time I joined beauty pageants. That is all, thank you.
Right on time. Thank you so much, candidate number 20. You may now breathe and rest easy and lift everything up to God.
Actually, we can all breathe. Okay na, tapos na ang ating top 5 question and answer.